keep reading, to attend, to keep up with the times. And this is what has kept us in good stead. And this has been a fantastic journey where things have changed rapidly. It has been the same in other branches of medicine. And this technology we have to keep up with and keep improving ourselves. In the end, I would like to thank the Rethink India and all of you for this honor. I'm grateful. Thank you.
I would request her to just stay put for a moment because we would like to felicitate a very specialized technological group, the Ayush Tech Group, which is a consortium of AIIMS Raipur and IIT Bhilai, which is really bringing about a lot of interdisciplinarity between technology and healthcare. And the felicitation this evening with Arogya Shri is for their STEMI initiative, the ST Elevation Myocardial Infarction Decision Support System, enhancing emergency care systems, benefiting patients in remote areas and resource-limited settings. I request Professor VP Singh sir to do the honors along with Professor KK Agrawal sir, because human brain is evolving such technologies. So, yes. So, Hirday ki baat, yeah, please sir, a bit about STEM, if you can.
As you said, the technology and healthcare now inseparable, and the leadership of IIT Bhilai and director of IIT Bhilai and director of AIIMS Raipur has created a platform, that is the Ayush Tech, where this kind of collaborative work will be done. And out of many projects which has been started, this is one project, this Intelligent Emergency Care System, where STEMI is the first part. We have successfully completed the research. Now development is in full swing and deployment will happen soon. Thank you.
Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. हृदय आरोग्यता की बात हुई है तो डॉक्टर विवेक चतुर्वेदी को कौन नहीं जानता. We would like to confer upon Dr. Keshav Baliram Hedgewar Arogya Bhushan on Dr. Chaturvedi, who is a national authority in the field of electrophysiology, radio frequency attestation, and complex device implantations, complex EP procedures including the ablation of atrial fibrillation, ventricular tachycardia and focal arterial tachycardia, along with stellar proficiency in coronary, valvular and peripheral interventions. So I request Professor KK Agrawal sir, Madam, to do the honors on Dr. Vivek Chaturvedi sir.
All the wise words have already been spoken. But if you talk of disruptive technology, I think cardiology is one field where I think it has been taken to max level. So in the last 50 years, I think the field of heart-related problems and the treatment has undergone total transformation. But I still like to believe and I still like to tell people that the biggest disruption in this has to be prevention. And this is what we have realized. We have seen country level efforts being done on this. And with yoga and other things, हमारी जो पुरानी संस्कृति है, everything in moderation. I think that is the key word. And if we remember that, then our heart will surely be healthy all the time. Thank
you. Thanks a lot, sir. We would now like to felicitate, I would request in fact Madam Davar to do the honors on yet another, I would say, cancer hospital, a budding, emergent one, on Andromeda Hospitals and Healthcare, for having championed the entire spectrum of cancer treatments, spanning from rapid ARC treatment, respiratory gating, image-guided radiotherapy, 3D mammography with biopsy attachment, breast modular operation theaters, stereotactic radiosurgery, frozen section, immunotherapy, bone marrow aspiration and biopsy, hypofractionated radiotherapy, sentinel lymph node biopsy at all under a single roof. We would like to confer upon Dr. Keshav Balram Hedgewar, Arogya Bhushan on Andromeda Hospitals and Healthcare, and Professor Dr. Arun Kumar Goyal sir is out here. So एक legend दूसरे को एक legacy pass कर रहे हैं. Dharamshila was done decades back, and now in the private space Andromeda is coming out, and this is in the periphery of NCR. That selection of that location is also so very important and pertinent. Like Dr. Mohan ने कहा कि हमारे भुवनेश्वर के juniors are doing phenomenal work on the east coast of the country. So Dr. Goyal sir.
First of all, heartfelt thanks to Rethink India, Raghav and Surbhi, and I think it's an honor to receive it from the hands of Professor Davar, who's been a teacher from the day I joined at AIIMS, and then I had the honor of working in Dharamshila. And what I can say is that this experience of making this hospital really makes me sort of appreciate the effort. Well, ma'am made it sound very easy that we just put in the money for the land, but I know that from groundbreaking to actually getting the hospital functional, and that is only the beginning of a tough journey. So I now appreciate in retrospect what we used to hear from Dr. Khanna and Dr. Davar and Dr. Sneh Bhargava at that time. Definitely we have tried to bring the best possible cancer care to a different territory where nothing was available. But what I would like to highlight is that technology is only the starting point of good cancer care. Is the team, their sort of commitment to patient care, empathy, compassion, which has to be at the front. And that is what we hope to bring through a hospital which has been brought in by a team. So basically I accept it in all gratitude on behalf of all the people who are involved in bringing up Andromeda Cancer Hospital. Thank you.
अगले felicitation के लिए मैं थोड़ा सा तकल्लुफ डॉक्टर अंजू विरमानी मैम को देना चाहूँगा कि she should join us. उससे जब तक मैम आते हैं, we would really like to felicitate a very young and emerging gynac onco in Dr. Satinder Kaur for having championed the robotic surgical pathway for operating gynae oncology cases in the least invasive manner, providing futuristic care and comfort. और मैं request करूँगा again Professor Dr. Davar को कि वो Dr. Satinder Kaur को इस यहाँ गुरु भी हैं और शिष्य भी हैं और इसी तरह से परंपरा का निर्वहन हो रहा है. And I would request Professor Davar to speak a few words about Dr. Kaur, perhaps. That would be the great.
What do I say about Satinder? We've had her, she was working with us at Dharamshila for many years, and I can remember when she came and joined us. I had also full-time joined the hospital a little while before that. And I can recall the first biopsy of hers that I reported. She said, "Can I send it out?" I said, "Yes." And she sent it to Dr. Anita Borges. And next day, or a few days later, she came back and said, "You know, not only your diagnosis and hers are identical, she's practically used the same words that you used." I can never forget that. Anita Borges is another one. I think most of you would recognize that name from Bombay, and we're old friends. But with us, Satinder has been working wonderfully well. She really brought up gynae oncology in the department, and I think we were fortunate to have her. I think there are very few departments of gynae oncology, not only in India or in Delhi, and we were the second one because of her.
Dr. Kaur, if you would like to.
Thank you so much, ma'am. And I'm honored to be here. And at the outset, I'd like to thank Dr. Surabhi and Mr. Raj for this opportunity and Rethink India. And I think we have been talking about the future of healthcare, and this is robotics is one of the futures. There was a time when the telephone was available in few houses in a city. And now I think even a rickshaw puller, every person in this, even at the grassroots level, everybody has a phone. So that is going to be the future of robotics in India. It is going to become accessible and affordable to a level that it is available in every city of India. And with tele-surgeries coming up, the surgery can be done by trained people in bigger cities to wherever the robo is there in the smaller cities. And that is the future. We need to have it maybe another 10-15 years down the lane. Once more of technology comes in, so these robots are going to become affordable and the surgery will be accessible, and complex surgeries like onco surgeries where the more surgeons are not available will be done through the help of telesurgeries even in the remotest part of the country. So I think that's the future and we will take that.
I'd like to tell you all that when we got our robot for surgery, she performed the first robotic surgery at our hospital.
बात जब बच्चों की हो, we have seen the entire spectrum of healthcare out here, and we had felicitated Niti Aayog for their recently released report on senior care. They had to leave early, so we had to felicitate while the refreshments were going on. तो बच्चों की केयर में जो एक संस्थान उभर कर आ रहा है, we would like to felicitate the Shivalik Medical Center and Dr. Anju Virmani to do the honors on Shivalik Medical Center, जो कहता है to provide the highest quality of care for infants, children and teenagers through the entire spectrum of childcare specialties, including neonatology, critical care, intensive neonatal care. और सबसे important बात जो संजीदा बात इन्होंने पकड़ा है, they are globally recognized ambulatory care service, जिससे बच्चों को अस्पताल में समय कम से कम बिताना पड़े. So with two children lovers like Dr. Anju Virmani, the doyen of pediatric endocrinology, and Dr. Ravi Mohta sir, so do the honors. Yeah. A few words, sir.
Thank you for your correction. We started this hospital around 30 years ago. We started this in Noida. At that time, Noida was a very small rural area, and we have been receiving patients from the entire Western UP. What I would like to say about this newborn care is that it is one field that gives maximum results with minimum effort. That effort when you resuscitate a newborn, those 1 minute or 2 minutes, that effort gives the most productive life and gives the best results for a very long period. So we've been trying to train people in the rural areas. We've been trying to, with the help of NNF and IIP, we've been trying for resuscitation program all over UP, so that this effective newborn care can provide the best. This use of technology can go to the smallest center, smallest area, because that is one area of healthcare, that newborn resuscitation and newborn care at the time of delivery, which has been lacking, has not received focus. Obviously, with the advent of Dr. Paul as the head of Niti Aayog, this has come into focus, and all of us together have been doing this program for this year. Thank you.
I would request Dr. Kaura to join in for the next felicitation. Dr. Kaura, Remedy Healthcare really showed us a mesmerizing product. And why I chose Dr. Kaura is to show the two extremes of it all. That on one side he has lowered down the cost of kidney transplant through various interventions. Perhaps this encourages the Remedy Healthcare Solutions for their lovely X-ray as a photograph to also work on the cost. So they are being felicitated as Dr. Keshav Baliram Hedgewar Arogya Bhushan for having brought about a revolution in futuristic medical devices, especially through its REMX KAX-A6, which has exponentiated the capability of radio diagnosis through X-ray the fastest and most accessible first line of imaging in a wide variety of use cases which were never possible earlier, bringing a paradigm shift from traditional to ultra portability and making accessibility to X-ray imaging convenient for all, from rural setups to urban healthcare facilities. So I request Dr. Kaura to do the honors along with Professor K.K. Agrawal, sir. So I would now like to request the Synergy Eye Care, which has really brought about patients in the center of healthcare. They are very categorical about their Quado values. They have exemplified this by way of the synergistic championing of the value quad of competence, integrity, safety and compassion, spanning adroitly across the advanced eye care fields of cataract and IOL, LASIK and refractive, retina and vitreous, oculoplasty and cosmetic, cornea and transplant, glaucoma, dry eyes and ocular surface diseases, squint and pediatric eye care, delivered in a set of world-class facilities created under the emergent organizational model of a group practice. Vivek Chaturvedi sir is receiving on behalf of Vinay Garodia sir. Yeah, here too. My apologies, sir had mentioned he had to rush back. He had some guests waiting in. I just missed that somehow. I'm very sorry. We saw his benedictions all through the sessions earlier. We would also like to felicitate CLIN Masters, which is a unique futuristic healthcare education program under the gamut of the ITS brand, the ITS Education Group. And we have got the program head of the CLIN Masters to talk more about the same. Dr. Megha. A few words if you would, yeah.
Thank you so much everyone. A very warm good evening to all of you. It is my proud privilege to be here in such an august gathering. And if I briefly introduce what we do at CLIN Masters, we are a center for clinical excellence, and we provide courses for dentists so that they can upskill themselves and so that they become employable. This is for the fresher dentists, and even for the experienced dentists so that they can upskill themselves and do those procedures which will help them to grow their practice. So thank you so much for inviting us here, and it's a proud privilege to be here. Thank you so much.
A joint nephrologist who has really augmented the nephro health ecosystem of Delhi NCR by establishing at least 5 state-of-the-art futuristic nephro and dialysis departments, as well as advanced academic programs to that effect, Dr. Dinesh Mittal. We would like to confer upon Dr. Keshav Balram Hedgewar Arogya Bhushan on Dr. Dinesh Mittal sir. Sir could not join us in person, but we felt like felicitating him. He had to just 3 AIIMS directors were to join us, but then at the last moment, just yesterday we were notified that 2 to 5 they have got a guideline to get a yoga seminar like this symposium in their own institutions. But we would like to felicitate them in their absentia, just to remember these doyens shaping the India's healthcare ecosystem. Dr. Shakti Gupta, the Honorable Director of AIIMS Jammu, with Dr. Keshav Balram Hedgewar Arogya Vibhushan, for putting patients in the center of healthcare. He was the medical superintendent at AIIMS New Delhi for 25 long years. Doyen, जैसा उनका नाम है, उनको शक्ति की पीठ के ठीक नीचे, वैष्णो देवी के ठीक नीचे वहाँ की जिम्मेवारी दी गई है, how to run it across. Also Professor Dr. Vikas Bhatia with Dr. Keshav Balram Hedgewar Arogya Ratna, shifting focus from treatment to prevention. Professor Bhatia has championed the cause of preventive community and family medicine, including the expansion of the sway of telemedicine platform eSanjeevani at AIIMS Bibinagar directly into educational institutions of Telangana, which as per WHO is the seat of preventive community healthcare. We felicitated the 3 health promoting schools out here. AIIMS Bibinagar is doing the same. He is also the founder professor and head department of community medicine and family medicine at AIIMS Bhubaneswar, comprising of 3 health centers, several clinics like Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, GOI approved Yellow Fever Vaccination Center. So this is where the entire healthcare paradigm is really moving towards, and professors of community medicine are being appointed as the directors out here. And at the same time, Professor Dr. Prashant B. Joshi from AIIMS Nagpur, the very seat of Dr. Keshav Baliram Hedgewar, from where he started off a community organization, binding, integrating the various caste creeds into a national identity, with Arogya Vibhushan, Professor Prashant P. Joshi, for putting patients in the center of healthcare by dint of his strategic vision, a wealth of experience and steadfast commitment to innovation, leading to the quad of excellence in the clinical area, medical education, research and administration, amply guided by his deep inroads and insights into the domain of clinical epidemiology. पूरा भारत कवर हो गया, पर जो भारत का दिल है, भोपाल, वहाँ से भी एक योग की बात आई कि अर्धनारीश्वर का भाव, वहाँ पर एक बहुत ही सुंदर कपल has joined AIIMS Bhopal from Australia, having served over there in a lot of areas of head translation medicine. Dr. Rupinder Kaur Kanwar and Dr. Jagat Rakesh Kanwar, who have joined in, and Dr. Jagat Rakesh Kanwar is leading the international innovation and commercialization pathways. उनकी जो प्रोजेक्ट स्वदेश की स्टोरी है, उसको हम इस मंच से डॉक्टर केशव बलिराम हेडगेवार आरोग्य भूषण से सम्मानित करना चाहते हैं आप सभी के उससे। और अब बिना समय गंवाए मैं निवेदन करूंगा प्रोफेसर डॉक्टर के अग्रवाल सर का टू गिव हिज प्रेसिडेंशियल एड्रेस। ही इज द प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ द सार्क यूनिवर्सिटी, रियल मल्टीवर्सिटी, और एक Professor Dr. K.K. Agrawal was the one who laid the foundations of expansion of India's healthcare ecosystem. He was the architect behind converting the Safdarjung Medical Hospital into a medical college. That's a phenomenal story, Dr. Agrawal sir, for his presidential and closing remarks.
Mr. Raghav, Dr. Surabhi, and the most eminent audience. It's a pleasure which I could not have missed, the company of so many eminent persons. And if I say the intellectual density in this room may be probably the highest rarely seen in any room, which Raghav and Surabhi have made it possible. Well, I would like to congratulate all the awardees for their exceptional work for the benefit of this country and the world. I would also like to congratulate Dr. Surabhi and Raghav for spotting the talent all over the country to be recognized, so that acts as a sort of simulation for others. Friends, as been told, I was the Vice Chancellor, founder Vice Chancellor of IIT University in Delhi, and at that time we thought medical education in Delhi. In 35 years, no college had been added in Delhi for 35 years, and I thought that is something very, very wrong for the children of Delhi, and we thought of starting the hospital with Safdarjung College, which was one of the largest hospitals in Delhi, but without a college for very spurious reasons. I was told those reasons, but I was never convinced. I remember Dr. C.P. Thakur was health minister at the time. He rang me up one day. He said, we want a medical college now to be started. And I have been told that if you want to run the college, give this responsibility to Professor Agarwal. I said, sir, if you want to do it, we'll do it. I said, when do you want it? He says, हमारा क्या, हम कहेंगे 2 सप्ताह में बना दो तो आप बना दोगे? मैं कहा, डॉक्टर साहब MCI के हिसाब से कागज पूरे हैं, क्या बिल्कुल फाइल पूरी है? मैं 12 दिन में आपको कॉलेज बना के दूँगा। इस कन्वर्सेशन के 12 दिन के अंदर हमने मेडिकल कॉलेज का यूनिवर्सिटी से अप्रूवल उनको दे दिया। बिकॉज आई स्ट्रांगली बिलीव इतना बड़ा हॉस्पिटल है, सरकारी हॉस्पिटल है, थोड़ी कमी होगी तो पूरा हो जाएगा, उसमें इतना करने की जरूरत क्या है। And I made the inspection committee at that time, which I still remember. It was Director AIIMS, it was Director PGI Chandigarh, it was Director Sanjay Gandhi Lucknow, it was Vice Chancellor NTR Health University, and Director General Government of India. So I thought if this committee feels that the hospital can be established and bureaucracy feels it cannot be established, it cannot happen in this country, it will happen. So